The reason I want to marry a white woman is because I love white women. Oh man, I want to spend the rest of my life with a beautiful Christian white woman that really appreciates me, loves me, and really wants to build with me and go forward and create a new empire of positivity. That is gonna be awesome. Like, I know without a shadow of a doubt, I'm gonna marry a beautiful Christian white woman. It's gonna be fantastic. To have like an equal partner, that you have similar lifestyles and ideas and creative things, and a lot of love. So that's gonna be really, really, really good, really sweet. Can't wait for it. To whoever you are.